Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing something a little unusual. When I get a lot of things from storage lockers, a good number of them are broken, and I found this awesome cooler, and we're going to repair the cooler and get it back into selling shape, and hopefully I can make a profit on it after buying the parts. So let's take a look at what we have here. Here's our problem. It's a good size Igloo cooler, and it's got all the hinges are broken on it. Other than needing a good cleaning, the latches are both broken on it, and even the little water spigot on the side to let out the ices. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the screws, or attempt to remove all the screws holding all the hardware parts in there, and then replace them with this kit, which you can find on Amazon. It's about $18 before taxes for one of these. So we're going to remove all these screws here. So we'll start here, and then I won't bore you with all the screw removal and everything, but just to give you an idea here, we're going to go ahead and do this first. And then you want to keep all the screws just in case, but it does come with new screws too. Okay, now we are going to move on to the latches here. You see that the latches are completely just sheared right off this thing. I'm not sure what was going on here, but it doesn't seem like that a cooler should have gotten this kind of abuse. I don't know what happened, but we're going to remove all these latch parts here, and we're going to put on new ones too. I'm going to leave these on. I'm not sure if these little stubs here come with it or not. I'm going to leave those alone though, since they look like they're pretty good shape. Now it does turn out that it does come with the little latch, I guess, acceptor. I'm not sure what you call it. So I removed these old ones here, and we're going to put the new ones on. They look really good, and everything seems to fit fine. So everything, this is called a universal kit, so everything looks like it fits fine. So it'll probably work with just about any one. You don't want to drive these in too far, because this is plastic after all. You don't want to, drill it all the way through. Okay, here's the new spigot. We just put in this. We just slide it right in the hole there, and then the parts that come with it, they're all new replacement parts. We're just going to take this one here, this seal, and just put that on there, fits on there, and then this one fits right on top of that. And you just have to put the retaining nut on like this, and then I have to let go because I can only do this one-handed. You just tighten that down, and you have to hold the spigot down from the front to do that as well too. So there's the spigot from the front. Okay, there's our new spigot all put on there, and all you have to do is just hold on to this part right around here. Looks like it's a retaining nut as well. You just hold on to that, tighten down the nut on the inside with all the washers and seals in place, and you only have to use hand. You don't have to use any wrenches on it. You don't want to do that because it's plastic. So it did come with some extra parts. Some of the Igloo coolers have 4 hinges, so it came with an extra one. And if you happen to have this kind of drain on it, then you would use this, but I don't have that kind of drain. I have this kind here. So let's take a look at what we have. Here's our cooler, and here's the latch. It works really well, and the hinges are working great. So everything's looking good. Now, there's some stuff, I put some things in there, but now to clean it. So that's going to be for another day. It's kind of cold in here in Michigan, and I'm not sure I want to get out the hose and all that kind of stuff, but maybe for another day we'll clean this baby up here, and I'll show you the results of it. But thanks for watching, everyone. Just a little tip here on how to refurbish your cooler. You don't have to throw it away. For $18 in parts from Amazon, you can make the thing look as good as new, especially with a little cleaning. Thanks for watching.